Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert and secure beads on your natural hair without using rubber band. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. The methods I'm going to be showing you guys in this video are very gentle on the hair. I guarantee you that they're not going to snag your hair. They're going to keep your hair protected all through the periods that you're going to be wearing the bead. But first, before going to the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. So for both methods, I'm going to be using the African rubber thread. I recommend that you use this thread instead of yarn, wool, or like ordinary sewing thread, because this is rubber, so it's a lot more gentle on the hair, and because it's rubber, it doesn't blend easily with the hair. So when it's time for you to remove the thread and to remove the beads, it's going to be a lot easier for you. So what I use to insert my beads is my crochet needle. So the first thing I do is insert the beads that I want to put in that particular strand of hair into the crochet needle. You can use a bead catcher. I don't know if that's what's called, but I don't have that, so I'm using the crochet needle. Plus the crochet needle gets the job done, so I really don't need a bead catcher. So I insert the beads into my hair, as you guys can see, and then I take all the beads away from the tip of my hair, leaving just one of the beads left, because that's what I'm going to secure my hair over. And then I try to make sure I leave just a little bit of hair left under the beads. Then I wrap the hair around my hair, the part of the hair that is over the bead. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Then I take the rubber thread, so I'll just cut a little of the thread. You don't need it to be too long. So after cutting the thread, I go ahead and wrap the thread around the hair that I previously wrapped above the bead. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm basically wrapping it around it, just as if I'm doing the African threading method. So I'm just wrapping. So I wrap it until when I feel like my hair is secure enough. Then I make a loop and tie the thread around my hair. I tie it 2 times just to make sure that it's secure enough. Just basically how you tie thread around your hair when you're doing the African threading method. Then I cut the excess thread, and then I just use the other bead on top to cover it. So this is one method of doing it. So for the second method, I go ahead and insert the beads like as I did previously with my crochet needle. Then I take the thread, but this time around I'm using a longer thread. This method is great if you do not have so many beads to use on your hair, or if you don't want your hair to be too heavy. So I go ahead and add some of the thread to my hair, to the end of my hair, and then I just wrap my hair just normally, as if I'm doing the African threading method, but I'm just wrapping only the ends of my hair. So I continue to wrap until when I'm done wrapping the whole, like almost the whole hair. Then I bend the end of my hair upward, and then I start to wrap the thread around my hair plus the previous parts that I've wrapped. I start to wrap it upward just to cover it up. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. So I wrap until when I'm done covering the end of the hair that I wrapped up. Then I go ahead and take the thread, like the hair that I wrapped, I go ahead and bend it over again, and then I continue to wrap the thread over it. Basically I'm just trying to wrap my hair and bend it over, wrap again, bend it over and wrap again, until when I feel like the hair is like that, the end of my hair is fat enough that the bead does not fall out of my hair. So as you guys can see, it's already big enough. You can do it as much as you want, depending on how big the whole of the bead is. So when I'm done wrapping it to my satisfaction, I go ahead and tie a loop around my hair, and then I cut it. So this is what it looks like. You can see how like fat and blunt it is, and then I just bring down the bead to cover it up. So this is the second method of doing it, but this doesn't last as long as the previous one. So if you just want something fast and you don't want to use so many beads, you can use this method to secure your beads. So after securing all the beads, this is what my hair looks like, and you can see that my hair has it. I love using beads because it just adds a little bit more to the style, and I just hope you guys found it helpful. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.